2010 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe here. Removable color matched roof, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car at 50,893. Jetstream blue, that 6.2 liter LS3 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. You can see this nose cone really free of any major rock chips, touch up, anything like that. It does have the 3M or 3M type clear protective coating on the outside, so it's going to help keep that nose looking good. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, cargo compartment, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Some nice chrome wheels have been added. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Ebony interior, of course, bucket seats, center console. That 6-speed automatic transmission, shifter, electronic dual climate control, AM FM CD player. We'll get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end. Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It does have an aftermarket catback exhaust system. And it will come with a paint protector for that rear end when you're putting the cargo top in and out, or really anything going in and out of the storage area in the back. And then this is your kind of your privacy divider that will hang from that rear deck lid so no one can see down through the window. And the window is tinted, so that will help also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Technician that drove this car and inspected it gave it a great review. Brakes are 80% in the front and rear, said it drove out excellent. Tires are date coded 2016 and in good shape. As you can see, this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these C6 Corvettes or Corvettes in general, just go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. Of course, power mirrors, power locks, power windows. We also have the power seat over here on the driver's side, and seating surfaces in nice shape. That's what you'd expect with a low mile car like this. Let's fire it up. There's the exact miles, 50,893. No service engine soon lights, anything like that on. Gauge is all working. AC blows cold. Dash looks good. And good sounding catback exhaust. A little bit of bark to it. Nothing crazy. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Little rumble coming out of that LS3. Let's go ahead and take a look at this engine bay. Pop this open here. Hey, look at that. Good looking hood liner. There it is. Nice and clean and tidy. We have a cold air intake. Air rate, a little different intake on it than stock, so this thing's going to breathe a little bit with the aftermarket exhaust and air rate, cold air intake. A little more performance out of it, which you'll have plenty of with that LS3. Nothing wrong with that engine in these things. No surprises under the hood. Clean car and clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pictures. Take your time looking through them. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, and that number is 507-386-1726.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette in a great metallic blue. I do have a Targa top, removable top over my head. This is an automatic right here on the center console. And this car has a nice exhaust note. A little more throaty than your average Corvette. Excellent acceleration as you'd expect from a Corvette. I expect the corners to be excellent as well. Just a little over 50,000 miles on this barely broken in Corvette. Temperature showing about 190, the oil pressure 40 psi as we're cruising at low RPMs down the highway. The battery's charging over 14 volts. Our fuel tank is about 1/8 of a tank. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Stereo also working. I have not tested CD, but FM is working great. We have push button paddle type shifting up on the steering wheel. Traction control, of course, optional. Power seat, very comfortable leather bucket seats. Smooth braking in this Corvette. And it corners very flat, very well. Makes you want to corner faster and harder just for fun. There's that lovely exhaust note. Very responsive, great looking blue 2010 Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.